Right, hello everyone. After our Mexican lunch thing, we decided to sod the rain and sod the weather. We're going to go out and enjoy ourselves. So we've decided to come for a little walk at the Riverside Gardens in Droitwich. Wow, Witch Bowls. So having a good old look around. We went to the Webb's Garden Centre and had a vegan coffee there and a little cake. We'll pop the video, the photos of that in our Instagram and on this video later. Just having a little walk around. Jack, do you want to say hello?
Jack, say hi.
Hi, Toby.
Hi. He says hi. And we're just going to have a... Come on, Jack, let's go. Let's go a bit further. Come on. We're going to be here all day otherwise in the rain. Come on, no, this way, this way.
This way.
Jack, turn around.
Let's go, let's go.
Come on, let's this way. So yeah, we're just having a bit of a walk about.
Wow, look at the flowers.
Oh, nice. We had to call it quits in the end because the rain started getting really heavy and we had to run back to the car. But we're going to think about coming back here on Sunday with a picnic and yeah, it should be quite good actually. Yeah, if the weather's better. And we enjoyed some of the gardens. There was some. I liked the seaside themed one that was there. That was really nice. But yeah, we'll tune back in when we're at home. Hello again. So on the way home, we sort of stopped off at a Morrisons. We saw on Instagram that there was a few things that were at Morrisons that we wanted to try out. So we went there.
Hi.
We went there to go and see if they had them, and they did. They didn't disappoint. So first of all, we got tuna, which I'm gonna give it a whirl. Not live at the moment. But it seems quite good on its sort of properties at the back here. So we got the tin is 142 grams. So basically, in one tin, we've just got about, well, rough calculation, about 5 grams of carbs, no sugar, about 5 grams of fibre, protein, I'd say there's about 14, 15 grams, and about a gram and a bit of salt. Don't quote me on that, that's just looking at the back, and it's done by 100 grams. So.
And it's about the same price.
And you get, it's cheaper than tuna, and the pot is bigger. I don't know what it tastes like, so it could taste like cack or cat sick or something, but nutritional wise it looks epic. And something that you've been eagerly before I went vegan I already knew about sushi, tried it, loved it, but ta-da, Morrisons have vegan, what's it, Hosomaki! They have vegan sushi, in other words, Hosomaki. And what did you think when you tried it?
I've never ever eaten sushi, obviously. I really liked it. And I hope we're going to make some soon.
It even comes with a little, like,
oh, this was impressive.
little bottle of soy sauce to try. It's a little squirt over it. Do you want to have a go?
We're going to eat one now.
Oh, yeah. I want to try one of the yellow pepper ones. If you could do me up a yellow pepper. And I said you get carrot, which is the orange one.
Nut.
You get red cabbage. The next one along is a dammy beans.
Oh, we eat those by the bucket load.
Yeah, and the one on the end closest to me is yellow pepper.
Smells really funky though.
There's a little spot of horseradish in it, and you'd never tried the what's the nori?
I've never tried anything
The nori
like
seaweed. So it does give it that fishy taste. It almost like if you go, as I say, a port somewhere by the seaside and it smells like fish. That's what this sushi nori thing tastes like. It tastes like it smells. But it tastes nice. Oh, I could eat all of them. The only problem with this is salt content. Quite high. I don't know whether that's because of the soy sauce. I don't know whether they've taken into account the soy sauce there, but oh yes, a pack provides 2.23 grams of
That's a
salt.
lot of
So
salt.
that's probably all of the sushi and the whole bottle of soy sauce. But yeah, I can't wait. You made a Dr. Gregor special cheesecake earlier.
Completely plant-based, using whole foods, dates, walnuts, and sesame seed. No. Yeah, sunflower seeds. Base went really well. Put it in the blender, stuck together, put it in the fridge. Then we made this topping using cashews. Now we use a lot of cashews to make sauces and other stuff, and it always works well. And I kind of had a bad feeling once we started blending this topping because it took a lot of effort, and our blender's quite good. But it came out, and it was bananas and blueberries, and
I have another one there.
followed the recipe. Stuck it in the fridge. Been in the fridge for sort of 5 hours. Tried a slice.
Not a big fan. I had to sort of eject mine out of my mouth and into the bin, followed by a good rinse of my mouth.
Whereas
With water.
I did eat it, and I've just tried it with some Oatly cream, and it did take the taste away. We don't like waste in this house, so unfortunately someone's got to eat it.
Fortunately, I'd say, my opinion, dates don't belong in the, normal dates don't belong in the crumb base, and
You're going to try it with Oreos.
yeah, I'm going to do a more of a non-plant based, but
Vegan,
obviously vegan, but I'm gonna, instead of using dates and things like that to bond things, I'm just gonna get some vegan margarine and just slap it in there.
Yeah, this crust
It's gonna
didn't
be
have
unhealthy,
vegan margarine in.
but it's gonna taste great. That tastes great as well. Would you like another one?
Only that one.
Are you going for another umami bean?
Oh,
So just spill soy sauce all over me, thank you. But yeah, it wasn't great. I'm going to put the photos in on the end of the video, but I definitely won't be going up my way to try.
maybe
What was
making
it?
that again.
It was banana and blueberry cheesecake.
That was the flavours inside the topping, the cheesecake topping part. It was just a banana. It was overbearing with banana. It was just...
When you approach a cheesecake, like if you're non-vegan before, you were veggie, so cheesecake was...
Cheesecake was loud.
Yeah, that was allowed. You have a standard of cheesecake. You set the bar, and if you're going to try and if you got to try and replicate a cheesecake, it's got to either hit the bar, or it's just no point.
Don't even think this...
It didn't even get on the scale for me. It was just...
I'm quite disappointed.
It was disappointing because
it looked
the part. It looked the part.
It did, and we'll put a photo on, but it looked
So
like a cheesecake. It even set like...
Yeah, the only thing is our cake tin was a bit round. The circumference of it was a bit big.
It was quite thin. Very, very
so
thin.
it was a thin thing, but...
I'm looking forward to when it's gone anyway.
I know. I'm just glad I picked up some donuts from Morrisons because I ate those. Because I checked them out, and the strawberry jam filled donuts only contain soy and wheat. They don't use egg or anything else, or milk. So, yeah, vegan. I was just like, yes! When I found them out, because I hadn't had donuts in, feels like forever.
And you were the donut man.
Oh, I love donuts. I love donuts. I'm going to have to start getting just start getting some more donuts in me. But yeah, that sort of wraps up this video. I'll insert the photo at the end of this about the cheesecake disaster. But yeah, peace. Thanks for the support. Like always. See ya. Ciao.